Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So I've got some slimes and I'm going to show you, and they've all got names. And remember, if you like what you see here, remember to subscribe, give this video a thumbs up and click that bell button. We do like some new people for the bunny fam. So let's just get straight on with my slimes. So this one I made yesterday. It is called Mint. It looks lighter on the camera. No, sorry, it looks darker on the camera. It is literally like a mint leaf colour in reality. So that was that slime. And this one farts when it goes into its pot. Unfortunately, so it's not really nice. So it's not really the best slime to take into a library or to school. This is a nice slime other than that. Next, I have a spring leaf slime. So this is the same. So this one's a bit darker in reality. It's lighter on the camera. I hate that the camera changes its true colour. Yeah, this one is really nice. It's super stretchy. My camera's pretty big and it's just like bigger than my camera. So it's pretty. So it's just like a little bit stretchy, right? So yeah. This one also has to get it into its container. So got 3 more slimes. So this one is called lavender. Well, you don't really say it like that. It's just called lavender. It is a lovely slime. And it is fluffy. It is a fluffy slime. Like, guys, I just made these. Not played with these. This is the first time I am playing with them. And this one does not fart to get it back into its container. Well, puffs a bit. Puffing's not farting, right? Look, the big bad wolf and the 3 little piggy huffed and puffed, but it doesn't mean he farted. Anyway. So next I've got 2 more. This looks like a disgusting, dirty queen, but it is not. It is pink. I am promising you guys it is pink. I know that on the camera it looks like a disgusting, dirty queen. It is not. It is a pretty ballet pink. And since it's Valentine's Day today, I thought I'll just make a Valentine's Day slime. So this has sequins in it and it is really pretty. And it makes bubbles. The lavender makes good bubbles as well. But I don't think I showed you guys the lavender one's bubbles. So hold on. Okay, so it's not in a bubbly mood at the moment. So, yeah. The weather we get for Valentine's Day is horrible because it is raining. So, we just get like the best weather for Valentine's Day. Right? Yep. So guys, this one is called Blue Sky. And it is the same colour on the camera. That makes me happy, guys. So yeah, this one is a nice one. And yeah, this container is a good idea. So guys, I got this container from Hobbycraft. And it is a perfect idea if you have little siblings that always want to play with your stuff. You don't have to use it as a slime container because it was with the baking stuff. But it is so stiff and you have to pick that up. I'm going to back that off. And so if you do make some, I would suggest going to Hobbycraft to get this container. It is like my best friend because I took this one because my friend has one of these. She put one of her slimes in. And then her brother, she's got younger brothers. It's her youngest brother always wants to get her stuff, and he tried opening it, but he couldn't. So, guys, that was it for today's video. I hope you all enjoyed it. No, I certainly enjoyed it. I mean, like, of course I enjoyed it. I got to poke slime. So, guys, see you on my next video. Bye. Remember to subscribe. 3, 2, 1, and cut.